Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Beautiful Triumph here, as you can see, looks really old. Done by Bright, very cool. And as you can see here, we've actually got a kicker on this bike. Genuine kicker with our accessory bracket, or Brian's accessory bracket. Do you want to demonstrate it? Looks superb. You just imagine kicking that up. We Hepalite 10.5 to 1s in. Been there myself. Yeah. And as you can see, other parts, he's polished up this cover. Beautiful cover. This one here is going to be polished, isn't it, Brian?
Yeah, on the other side, yeah. On
the other side. Carburetor tops, or sides. He's got a steering damper on it. Very cool as well. Genuine Triumph job, that. And as you can see here, the latest thing, we've got an ignition cover where you put your key in, and this is obviously removable, so you can take the top off, turn your bike on and ride it, and then when you park up, you just put your clock back in. But very old school looking bike. Very cool. As you can see here as well, we've also got an ammeter, so he's used the original, is it Lucas headlight? Lucas headlight with the ammeter in. Original Lucas front as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
The Prince of Darkness. Yeah. They used to call him, didn't they?
Yeah.
He's turned the risers back to front, which is pretty good because that gives you a bit more room if you got longer arms, doesn't it?
Yeah, and it allows for the steering damper.
And also allows for a steering damper, yeah. So very cool as well. The old cap with the original Triumph, which would have normally gone on the side cover, is that right?
Yeah.
And the old knee pads. So you're almost looking like a 1950s or 60s? 1965 bike. Yeah. And the number plate, got a proper press plate. Apparently this is a 68 reg, isn't it, Brian?
65.
65, wow.
Off a Lambretta.
Off a Lambretta, yeah. So that's doubled the value of the plate already. But nice rag cover as well. You can see very cool rag cover on this. And a sump guard protects all the front of the motor. Is that new and all?
Yeah.
Reg cover as well,
yeah.
As you can see.
Rectifier cover.
Yeah, rectifier regulator, rectifier cover, yeah. Looks like a Honda Super Dream actually, doesn't it? The old one. But it just shows what you can do with one of the more modern bikes and make it look very cool and very old. There's a new paint job going on. Apparently there's a brand new mudguard with a rib in it. And what paint job you put on it?
It's going to be Fruxton, 65 Fruxton colours.
Right,
gold and ivory colour.
Wow. And is the main stand standard, or?
Yeah, the main stand standard.
That's standard on these. You had to buy it on the others, didn't you? The Americas and stuff.
That's right, yeah.
If you're interested in any great parts for your bike, give us a bell. 01773 835 666. CustomCruisers.com, the website. The new site, CustomCruisers.eu, is actually getting there. You know, it's been a lot of work, but way cooler site, much easier to use. Doesn't have any issues on checkout like the old one if you got an Apple phone or a Mac. So CustomCruisers.eu, the new site, or CustomCruisers.com. Thank you.